In this video, I will show you how to screen record on laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to record your screen on a laptop, you don't need to download any programs or additional software. There is actually something built into Windows. So what you need to do is hold down the Windows key, Shift and S on your keyboard. Now, when you do this, you're going to see at the top a toolbar is going to appear, and what you want to do is click onto the video icon here. Once you've done that, go ahead and select the area of the screen that you want to record, just like so, and you can adjust this by using your left mouse button and just dragging where you want. So if you want to record the whole screen, just drag across the whole screen. Once you've done that, come up to the top and you can choose whether to use a microphone or if you don't want a microphone to be used. And on the right hand side, you've got the option to mute system audio if you want to as well. Once you're happy with everything, just come up to the top and press the start button, and it's going to start a countdown timer. It's going to say 3, 2, 1 and then start recording. Now, it's not actually going to pick this up on the recording itself because I'm using an alternative recorder, but at the top you're going to see a toolbar and there's going to be a stop recording button. It's just going to be a red square. So what you want to do is give that a click when you finish recording your screen. It's going to go ahead and bring up a preview of your recording, and then what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner and click the save button to save this to your laptop. So that is how to screen record on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.